Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome. This is all about my lifestyle and just what I do on a daily basis. But today, we are finally going to do a little mini makeover to my room. First, we dismantle everything in the room. That's me and that's my son. And we brung down my headboard. I have a headboard, but I did not want it. I didn't want my headboard, so I put it in the attic for some other time, probably, knowing me. Once we got that up in the attic, I went ahead and started getting everything off of my bed, getting everything cleaned up so that I can prepare to do some painting. And that's me and my little fleece blanket. I have fleece blankets everywhere, by the way. I went ahead and started to tape off everywhere, protecting all my areas. And I could not find my blue paint tape, y'all. Like, that was bugging me because this is masking tape and it's the same color as the walls basically, but we got through it. I protected my floor with some plastic, of course, and I started painting with this small roller brush on this big wall. Now, what was I thinking? So I went ahead and got my paint brush and started painting off all the edges on this wall, and it made it that much better. I don't know what I was thinking at first. Then we brought out the big dog. We brought out the big roller so that we can go ahead and get this whole wall painted as fast as possible. And FYI, I hate painting, but I did it though. I got that painted. It started to get dark outside, so I was losing light. So I just went ahead and put up the curtain to this window. This window is behind my bed. My curtains are long, and I don't see the necessity for this window, but we put it up anyway. Gotta throw the vibe in there. And look at the velvet. Like, velvet is throughout this room. So I'm in love with that. I'm pretty much in love with it. So here we are. It's the next day, and I went ahead and did the other window in my room. This window, I just went ahead and hung up the rod because I needed the light in my room. The curtains that I have are room darkening, and they're black, so I needed that light. I started doing my bench. This is my favorite part of my room, y'all. And if y'all remember my video with me telling you guys what I was going to be putting in these spaces, I told you that my sister bought me this bench for my birthday, and I am in love with it. It was very easy to put together, and I thought it was going to be kind of hard, but it really wasn't. This little corner over here in my room is where I decided to put this bench, and I love where it's at, and it's comfortable. Oh, I'm in peace. Leave me alone. Okay. The bench has a velvet feel to it as well. Again, velvet is throughout my room. And look, y'all know I'm doing it for the cheap. I got this comforter set from Walmart, and I'm not using those pillows. Not at all. So let's make the bed. So I really only use the comforter and the pillowcases from that comforter set. I hate how my bed is not plush and all luxe looking, but it's my bed. I got this quilt set from Amazon, and I love it. It's velvety. Yeah, honey. I just threw that on the edge of my bed because I love to be comforted. I love pillows. I love covers. I'm always up under covers. I love it. I went ahead and put the pillowcases on the pillows, and I'm gonna get some other pillows, but for now that's what I got. And y'all remember these 4 throw pillows? They were vacuum sealed in this package, and they really did need time to like fluff up, but they were vacuum sealed, and it was actually 4. I was skeptical about them being 4, little do y'all know, but I filled up these throw pillow covers that I got from Amazon. Very basic, but the color that I wanted, and they are velvety as well. Made my bed up, threw those on the bed, and I tried, y'all see me trying. I tried. But I got them on the bed, and it actually look all right. So now let's accessorize this room because it's a bit plain. I got these pictures. I put one on each side. It's 2 different designs from Family Dollar. It's It's like the silhouette of a lady. I really do like that. And y'all remember these knobs? Yeah. We got to put those on the closet door. And I got a little story about those, but another story. I use thumbtacks to hang anything in my walls in my house. And it works well, y'all. Like thumbtacks. If you saw me putting up the gold silhouettes, those are hung by thumbtacks as well. I did this over my bench. I got these 3 rings from Walmart. They come in a 3-pack. Not Walmart, Dollar Tree. They come in a 3-pack. So I bought 2 of the 3-packs, and it's like a small, medium, large circle. And I hung those up over my bench just for now because it just needed something. Threw my throw pillows up there. That's cute. And I had this vase that I had for so long that I spray painted gold. This pampas grass I actually got from Dollar Tree. And here is the final look, y'all. Here's the final look. So I won't say final look. It's going to be some things that's added to this room, just like my bathroom. And I need your help. Comment below any space that you see could use a filling, because there's plenty of those spaces. Anything that you think I could use on my floor as a rug. Any suggestions, mirrors, plants. I'm thinking about doing all that anyway. And that blue cover there is driving me crazy because it does not give the color it is on camera. But y'all, this is what I came up with. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what I should do down in the comments. But until next time, I love y'all. Enjoy the sights, and I'll see you soon.